Look at this. A patient messages saying they've had a severe migraine for 3 days, and instantly our AI categorizes it as urgent and writes a clean, one-sentence summary for the doctor. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to build this from scratch. What you're seeing forms the absolute backbone of an automated patient intake system, something that doctors, wellness clinics, or medical spas can use to scale their operations. Let's plug the brain in. So, the first thing I'm doing is heading over to Google AI Studio to generate an API key. Think of this key as the digital passport that connects our local code to Gemini's intelligence. I just click Create API Key, let it load, and copy it to my clipboard. You'll notice I've blurred mine out. You should treat this key like your bank PIN. Never share it. Now we jump into Cursor. Instead of pasting that private key directly into our Python script, which is a massive security risk, I'm creating a file called .env. This is a secure hidden vault for our key. But here's the most crucial step. I also create a .gitignore file and type .env inside it. I do this to ensure that if we ever upload this code to a public GitHub repository, our API key is completely ignored and stays safely on my computer so no one else gets access to my account. With our security locked down, I open the terminal at the bottom. We just need to install 2 packages so Python can actually read our vault and talk to Google. I type pip install python-.env google-genai and hit enter. It takes just a few seconds to download. Now for the magic. I open Cursor's Composer and type out my prompt. I'm instructing it to use the libraries we just installed and to securely load our API key from that .env file. Then, I give it the core logic. I want a script that takes a raw patient message. I tell Cursor to ask Gemini to act as a medical triage assistant, to analyze the symptoms, categorize the urgency as routine, urgent, or emergency, and give me a one-sentence summary for the doctor. Cursor goes to work, reads my instructions, and builds the entire patient_triage script for us. Let's see it in action. I run the script in the terminal, and boom, there's our result. It processed the migraine, flagged it as urgent, and summarized it perfectly for the medical staff. This is how you turn a messy inbox into structured clinical intelligence. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to build a custom photography portfolio using Cursor. Subscribe for more.